Hey guys, it's Alicia. So I am off to LA tomorrow and I thought it might be a good idea to show you guys how I pack for trips, how I make everything fit in my suitcase a bit more efficiently and just kind of look a little bit nicer. And I'm also going to show you guys what I put in my carry-on. So this is kind of like a how to pack / what is in my travel bag video. So if you guys are interested in that, then keep on watching. Okay, so to start out, I'm going to show you guys what's in my suitcase, but first I'm going to give you a little bit of the specs on the luggage that I'm taking. So it's going to be a checked bag because it is not a carry-on size. It's like kind of like a mid-size luggage, and it's from Calpac. So this is what my suitcase looks like. It is the Anza 2 from Calpac. It is the 24-inch luggage. I got this from Marshall's for $60. Yeah, so it's like a really good deal. So it's got the 360 spinners as well as the little lock here built in. So it's also got the lock here to attach your zipper pulls to, so that it locks automatically. So like I said, I got it for only $60, which was an amazing deal, and I got it from Marshall's. So if you guys are on the hunt for new luggage, definitely check out Marshall's or TJ Maxx or like stores like that, because you're gonna find some for really good prices. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I pack this luggage. Alright, so my first tip in keeping your suitcase a little bit more organized and having it packed more efficiently is to get some travel cubes or packing cubes. So starting on the right side of my suitcase, I've got the largest packing cube here with all of the shoes that I'm going to wear packed away inside. So I've got 4 pairs of shoes inside of this large packing cube. Alright, so moving along to the other half of the suitcase, I've got a bunch of my Glossier pink pouches in here to help me organize everything. So this pouch has my body wash and deodorant, toothpaste, stuff like that. This one has makeup brushes. This one has other makeup in there. And these two also have some more makeup. So I've got like foundations and complexion products in that one, and like highlighters and setting sprays and stuff in that one. And then in this pouch here, I've got some belts. So I'm only taking 2 belts with me, so I got my little belts in there. In this pouch, this is the larger Glossier pouch. I've got all of my skincare stuff. So I've got some face cleanser. This is my Take the Day Off balm. This is my moisturizer, and I've got some serums and some oils and also some exfoliating pads in this pouch. So in this pouch, which also came with the packing cubes, I've got some lotion and hair gel and brushes. All of this just fits in here super nicely, and when I'm ready, I'm just going to go ahead and use these little elastic things to help keep everything in place. So in the built-ins, I basically left everything pretty empty. I've just got like a couple of items of clothing in here that I'm giving to my sister. But here, I've got another one of the little pouches that came with the packing cubes, and I'm using this one as like a dirty laundry bag. So that's why it's empty right now, and I'm just storing it right in here. Alright, and then so to open this guy up, you guys can see where I store all of my clothes. So at the very top, I've just got this fuzzy sweater jacket that I got from Uniqlo. So I did check the weather, and it says that it's going to be in like the 60s and 70s when I go. And obviously coming from the current Chicago climate, which is about like 19 or 20 degrees right now, going into 60s and 70s is totally going to be like super hot for me. But I know I do get cold, so being there for a whole week, I'm probably going to get a little bit chilly, so I thought bringing my little sweater might be a good idea. Alright, so underneath that, I've got more packing cubes. So I've got these two, and then this one here. So I'll start with these guys. So these are all of my outfits. So in each of them, I've basically got about 4 outfits each, including some jackets. So I have 2 jackets in this one. These are like 2 duster coats in there. So I've got 2 pairs of jeans here, 2 pairs of jeans here, and then my shirts and dresses just tucked away inside of each of these. So basically all of my clothing can fit in a half of my suitcase, which is great. And then on this side, I've just stuffed a little sweatshirt in here, again, in case I get cold. And right here, I've got the only purse that I'm actually going to be using. It's super tiny, and all I need to put in here basically is my phone and my wallet, because I'm not bringing any keys, because obviously I'm not going to be home, so I won't need any keys. So yeah, this is the only purse I'm going to be bringing. And then in this pouch, I've got my underwear and all of my sleep clothes and bralettes. And that just fits really nice and snugly into this side. So yeah, this is what my suitcase is looking like and how I've got everything all nice and packed. This is my carry-on. I'm just taking a backpack that is big enough to fit my laptop in. So let's start with the front pouch here. So in the front pouch, I've got some sunglasses, my wallet. So I showed you guys the size of the purse that I'm going to be carrying. So this little business card holder is going to be my wallet. So I've got all of my cards and IDs in here. I've got some makeup remover wipes, some headphones, some feminine products, and some gum. And in the main part of my backpack, I've got another pink pouch, of course. This one has all of my chargers in it. I still need to pack my laptop charger, but this one has my phone charger, Apple Watch charger, some extra batteries for my DSLR, and then my DSLR battery charger. And then I've got my DSLR body, as well as 2 lenses that I'm taking. I'm taking my 50mm as well as my 35mm. And then I've also got my laptop in here. Things that I don't feel comfortable packing away in my suitcase, I definitely want to have these guys with me since they are more valuable. Alright, and in the little zipper pouch in here, I've got some tissue, I've got some vitamins, and I've also got my Aquaphor, just in case my lips get chapped, because I'm sure they will. Alright, let me go ahead and put everything back in here, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly how I remember to pack everything, and what to pack, and where to pack it. Okay, so if you guys don't follow my blog already, then you may not have seen this, but I posted a how to pack blog post earlier this week, and I also included a free downloadable travel packing list that you guys can print out and use when you guys are going on vacation. So basically this is what the packing list looks like. I just laminated mine because I want it to be reusable, so I'm using these little ultrafine expo markers in order to write on it. So basically in the packing list, I've got different categories. So I got the clothing category, toiletries category, carry-on, and then I've got one for miscellaneous items. And I also included little blank spaces that you guys can write extra stuff on in case it wasn't on this list already. So basically these are the majority of the items that I wanted to bring with me, and everything that I actually have already packed away is checked off. And then at the top I also left a space for you to put your destination, when you're going, and then what the weather is going to be like, so that can kind of help you determine exactly what clothing items or what toiletries that you might want to bring. And then yeah, you guys can go to my website. It's aliciafuller.com. That is my blog, and you guys can find this on there for free. You guys can download it, and let me know if you do download and if you actually end up using it, because it's been super handy for me for packing for this trip. And the direct link to that blog post will be in the description box. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go finish with my packing, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.